So here we are at 9:30. I'm just about to go live for Gareth's Raz of the James Harden 5 of 5. I'll just type in live here. As you can see, it's 9:32, pretty much. 9:32. This is the card here. Here's the list of 10 names that I've just copied and pasted in here. So let's get ready to go. Rolling 2 dice. 5 and 4, so we've got a 9. Going 9 times. 9 times, ladies and gentlemen. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Just to verify the time again, down there, and again on the world clock screen. Here's the list and the card again. Best of luck, ladies and gents. Remember, person at spot number 1 is the winner. Here we go. Congratulations, Roy. 9 times. Here's the clock. Just type done in and then I'll end this vid. Thanks, guys.